Oh, it's you again. Hey. So, come here. So, some of you say that we got a criminal on the loose. Okay, rewind that. Some of you say that Ronald McDonald is a Joker. Okay. Some of you say that I'm not funny. And by some of you, I mean all the people that watch my videos, but nobody likes me. Okay, but I really badly want to be, well, I don't want to be, but I want to, this is me as a comedian. Hey guys, so it's Drew Pullman here at the ComedIAn. So grandmas, how do they cross the road? On their walkers! And milk! And make you have muscles on your fingers. I love you too, Foley. I love you too. So go to the perfect cliff. And guys, I always wanted to tell you this. Turn off all the lights in the room. One light showing. Ah! Too much light. That's good. Yes, sir. You are the Jesus Father, the Son of the Godfather. Bye.
Hey, I heard you were a wild one. Ooh, if I took your